Hello guys, here is I have Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. This phone problem is screen is cracked, and you can see its bottom side is cracked, and I'm going to show you how to replace this screen. First we're going to remove the SIM card tray, then we have to lighten up the back cover. First apply some heat, and then we're going to remove this back cover. Under that there is a ollie screw, you have to remove it. Just loosen up a little bit, and you're going to use alcohol on site so you can lighten up easily. Not that hard glue, just using alcohol and lighten up. And there is two kind of screen on the market. One is with the frame and another one is without frame, and I'm gonna show you with the frame one. It's easy to replace it. We're almost done to remove this back cover. There is some glue, we're gonna clean it later on. And now we're gonna remove all the screw. This all the screw are star screw. All the screw are same. We're gonna keep together all the screw, and bottom side there is couple of them. We have to remove this all of them also. We remove all the screw. Now we're gonna remove this fingerprint connection, and now we're gonna remove this back housing. From this side we're gonna lift it up slowly. There is no glue, just unlock this all clip and it's come out easily. And this side you have to carefully, this has a power button flag, so just slowly lifting up. And now we're gonna remove this battery connection first. Remove this battery connection, and now we're gonna remove this ribbon, the charging port and LCD connection ribbon. Disconnect both, and also we're gonna disconnect from motherboard side. Now you're gonna remove this charging port. There is one screw, we have to remove it. And now you're gonna remove this antenna connection, and now you're gonna disconnect this charging port, and disconnect the charging port, and there is vibration, we have to remove it. Apply some heat and it's come out easily. And there is the new screen with the frame on, and this screen is good thing is it comes with the loudspeaker, ear speaker, and volume button and power button flags, so you don't have to remove from old screen. And you can see it, there is a speaker and volume power flags and also loudspeaker. So if you don't have it with the some screen doesn't have that, so you have to remove from old screen and put it back on new screen. Since we have that, we don't need to remove it. And we're gonna separate the motherboard. Here is one screw, we have to remove it, and we separate the motherboard now. Now you're gonna remove the battery, and there is one plastic. Let me see if you can open up with this plastic and remove the battery. It's very hard, so we have to use it different tools. It does not come out easily. We have a knife. We're gonna lift it up slowly with the knife first, and make sure there is that knife is not Don't lift it up all the way, just slowly lift it up a little bit, then we're gonna use plastic. Do not use the sharp knife, so just lift it up a little bit with the knife, then with the plastic tools we're gonna lift it up, so it's not gonna burn the battery. Do not lift it up with this still like with the knife, like all the way. Sometimes it's battery leak and get burned, so always use the plastic tools to remove battery. Just use lift it up a little bit, then use plastic tools is better. So you're gonna remove this plastic, you don't need that. Make sure battery make it even, there is no bend with the battery. Yeah, look straight, no bend. Remove this battery, and we don't need to remove this speaker and button flex. New screen has already that. We just put back this vibration. And now you can install this motherboard, and just press it down, and we're gonna put back this black screw. Just hold the motherboard. We're gonna organize this antenna connection. There is the hole, we're gonna just press it down on the hole, and now you're gonna install back the charging port. And there is another screw, black screw, we're gonna install back and connect this antenna connection. Just press it down, center, and with the LC connection, just press it there. And now you're gonna install back the battery. You're gonna use double side tape, and install the battery and press it down. And here is the connection, screen and charger port connection. Main goes to motherboard side, and for the charging port, just press it down. And last we're gonna connect this battery connection. And now you install back this back housing, just press it down. Make sure power button and volume button is clicking. It's clicking. Press it down all the side. Now I'm gonna connect the fingerprint connection. Now you're gonna turn on the phone. Make sure phone is working properly. Touch screen, everything working properly. It's turning on. Remove this plastic. Swipe up. Go to the emergency, and you can see touch is working properly. And now we're gonna put back the back cover. First we're gonna remove the install all screw. Then we're gonna clean the previous glue. Almost done, all screw back. Clean this previous glue, also from the back cover. And now you're gonna put a glue on it. This glue gonna put it all the side, and after that we're gonna wait like 4 or 5 minutes. After dry a little bit, we're gonna put it back this cover. After 4 or 5 minutes, now you're gonna install back this back cover. Press it down all the side. We're we can use a clip to hold the back cover couple of 1 hour or 30 minutes. Also you're gonna use a plastic tape. So if you use plastic tape is also okay. Yeah, now we're gonna wait like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna remove this plastic and clean up the whole phone, and should be good. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.